Imagine waking up to an email that says your job is no longer needed, and not because the company's going under or because you screwed something up. It's all due to a piece of software that can now perform your entire role faster, cheaper, and without a single error. And here's the crazy part. That actually happened to one of my very good friends. We started working at Samsung together back in 2006. Now I obviously left, but she stayed and she climbed the ladder. She went from the very bottom to running the entire AI department. Then just a couple months ago, she woke up, checked her email, and her job has been replaced by AI. Kind of ironic, right? So in this video, I'm going to expose 10 jobs that AI has already began replacing. And some of these are going to completely shock you. So let's get into this. Okay, so this first one is actually gonna throw you for a loop. But deep down, we all seen this one coming. It's teachers and tutors. For centuries, teachers have been one of those professions that really seemed untouchable by technology. But right now, as we speak, it's already transitioning, and not in a small way either. See, in Miami, middle school classrooms now have AI tutors fully integrated. Students get instant feedback of their essays, math work, and even help to study for their tests. All the teacher has to do is manage the room. AI is doing the rest. And in China, they've gone even a step further. There's a company called Squirrel AI running full AI-powered classrooms. There's no human teachers at all. And a career that used to take 4 to 6 years of college and plus a state certification is now really on the brink of being replaced by AI completely. And it's simple. It's because you have companies now like Google's LearnLM and even ChatGPT jumping into this space with their brand new study mode. These tools can deliver personalized lessons that adapt to the student's pace in real time. And it even breaks it down and explains how to correct their mistakes at the student's reading level, so they actually will understand. And I even tested this the other day with my own son. I had him read a book and write an essay. Now, I never actually read the book, so I didn't know what's going on. Threw it in ChatGPT. Within seconds, it told me what was accurate and what was missing. It even pointed out statements that contradicted themselves. Then it gave me a full grading breakdown, a step-by-step plan for how to help him improve. And get this one. It ended it with asking, do you want me to teach him how to improve this, or do you want me to tell you how to do it yourself? Which is pretty wild if you ask me. And look, listen, teachers aren't going to vanish overnight, okay? But this just shows you exactly where technology is headed and why you need to be ahead of the game and not scrambling to catch up. Because if teachers can be replaced, you could just imagine what AI is going to replace in the years to come. Moving on to the next one, it's radiologists. That's right, hospital staff. This is a career that takes decades or more to even get into. We're talking 10, 12 years of grinding it out. And sure, the payoff is pretty big, but here's the problem. AI is creeping in fast, and it's doing the job better. With AI diagnostic tools like AI Doc, these systems can now detect tumors, fractures, and even rare diseases with an accuracy rate better than any human can even do themselves ever. And this isn't future talk either. It's happening right now. In the UK, NHS started using AI to read mammograms. It actually cut its patient wait time from 2 weeks to under 48 hours. And then another UK hospital actually integrated the AI Doc system. And they did this for MRI scans. And listen, a chest x-ray might take someone 10 minutes to analyze, but it only takes AI 3 seconds. And it's just looking at that one scan either. It's comparing it against millions of past scans instantly for pattern recognition. We're walking into an era right now where life-saving treatments may not come from a doctor at all. And for the people that spent over a decade chasing this career, a lot of them probably are looking around right now going, where do I go next? Now, number 3 is going to be an obvious one. It's graphic designers. But listen, it's moving faster than you think. Typically, this would take thousands of hours mastering tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Figma. But that's all changed now with AI. We can simply do it ourselves with just a short prompt. And even Coca-Cola has already partnered with AI companies to create full ad campaigns. Nike, they're also using AI as well to generate product concepts and marketing visuals. See, businesses everywhere are swapping out graphic designers for AI platforms. Hell, I even made an entire video about designs you can make in ChatGPT. But here's the true disruption. Platforms like Kittle can now create brand-ready designs. It learns who you are 10 times faster than any person ever could. Meaning, with the right prompting, you don't have to wait hours. You just hit that enter button and get 20 designs instantly to choose from. And it only costs $20 to $30 a month. And it never sleeps. Which leads me to another one that was high in any business. It's customer service. Now, traditionally, customer service was and still is the backbone of any company. Employees provide customers with information about their order, or they help them with their product, whatever it may be. But that is long gone. See, in 2024, Klarna actually replaced 700 customer service agents with AI chatbots. And within its first month, the bot actually handled 2/3 of all incoming calls and chats, much better than any human. Now, of course, they have backtracked and hired some new employees since then. But this is only because they adopted it too early and voices really didn't sound human-like. However, Delta Airlines, Instacart, and Shopify are all pushing for AI systems to be front and center to handle their customers and handle it 24/7, 7 days a week. No sick days, ever. And listen, I actually use AI bots for my own businesses. I have bots for both phones and chats, and I do it all through high level. It costs pennies to run. And all you have to do is provide a document with some FAQs and the bot really just does the rest for you. But if you want to take it a step further, add ChatGPT to it, and now it can think. Meaning those random questions that you may have forgotten in that document, they can get answered too. You no longer need an employee behind a computer or sitting at a phone. And it only takes you maybe an hour to deploy this in any business. And clearly, as most people know that have hired people in the past, the cost savings is pretty much night and day. So now we're going to talk about social media managers, another thing that used to need an actual person. In 2023, L'Oreal quietly shifted a huge chunk of their content creation and posting strategy to AI systems. And they're not alone. You have Heinz, Netflix, and even the NBA openly admitting to using AI for their campaign ideas, their ad copies, trend analysis, pretty much full automation. There are a ton of platforms out there that could do it too. Platforms like FeedHive can analyze your brand voice and past engagement data, as well as your trending topics. Then it can auto-generate a week's worth of your platform needs in just one click. Now, the fact that it really understands who your brand is just amazing. But what makes the tools even better, like this one, is they analyze every follower you have. From there, they can figure out when to post and what format works best, as well as what to say to increase that engagement. So if you aren't jumping on this type of software for your own business, then trust me, you're killing your time and your money, because you're manually doing this yourself and posting randomly and may not even understand who you're posting to. So I would suggest you jump on Google and find the system that can automate your social media. Trust me, it's worth every single penny, which really is nothing when you compare it to an actual salary of a person. Now, this next one, you've probably seen this already, AI models. In 2024, the company Baumann announced part of their latest campaign was actually shot entirely with AI-generated models. No photo shoots, no flights, no hair and makeup. And earlier this year, Victoria's Secret quietly began testing AI models for their online catalog. Not to mention, Levi actually announced plans to use AI-generated models for their future lines. See, these brands aren't playing around. AI platforms like Botica can now produce ultra-realistic, fully posable human models. And it can be created in any ethnicity, body type, lighting condition, or outfit. So instead of paying for multiple models, then adding photographers, stylists, set designers, and all the stuff that goes into photo shoots, now they can pay under $500 a month and get 500 modeling pictures. And that's just the beginning. Animators. If anybody remembers on Netflix, Dog and Boy, it was an anime short where all the backgrounds were actually generated by AI. Around the same time, Stability AI revealed Stable Animation SDK, a tool that turns rough sketches or text prompts into fully animated scenes within seconds. And major studios are already experimenting with this tool. Now, traditionally, this would have taken a regular person hours to create. But with AI, it's making that process almost instantaneous. And tools like VO3 can now generate entire animated sequences instantly. All you have to do is upload a still image of a character, tell it what you want, and AI will make them walk, talk, and interact in any scene that you want. And because AI models can now adapt styles instantly, they can replicate the look of any existing franchise with ease. Now, that's not the only thing Disney is actually replacing. Voice actors are following, which probably means actual actors and actresses will follow after that, but not just yet. Either way, in 2023, Disney made headlines after using AI voice cloning to recreate James Earl Jones. You know, his iconic Darth Vader voice? Yeah, now they can use that in any future Star Wars film. And they did it without him ever stepping into a recording booth. And sure, voice acting might not seem all that entertaining. But if you think about it, without voice actors, we wouldn't have ever gotten those wonderful cartoons when we were kids. But now, tools like 11 Labs, they can clone a voice and it can be used indefinitely. It could speak any script in any language with a perfect pacing and emotion. And it's already happening right now, even outside of film. See, 11 Labs has been used in audiobook production and it can generate series within hours, meaning books that may have multiple series, you're talking 8, 10, 12. It's no longer taking somebody in a recording booth hours to create. And AI voices never lose their tone from fatigue, they never get sick, and they can be called on 24/7. Hell, I even lose my voice pretty much after I record every single YouTube video. So one thing you're probably thinking, is all this legal? We're gonna ask a lawyer, or maybe they're a paralegal, to look into this for us. Oh no, wait, they're actually being replaced too. See, for decades, law firms have depended on paralegals to do the heavy lifting, drafting contracts, preparing case files, researching case laws, and even organizing mountains of documents. Anyone that's dealt with a lawyer knows they're not going through everything themselves. But right now, tools like Harvey AI can scan thousands of pages within minutes. And I'm not talking about can you give me a template? This tech can prepare an entire deposition before any of us read a first page. One real example here is Microsoft. They laid off 32 attorneys and 5 paralegals in Washington earlier this year, citing tools like Microsoft 365 as well as Copilot as factors in reducing workload. Now here's where it gets even scarier. See, the AI learns, so every case it touches, it just makes it better. Which means by next year, it's probably not just going to be replacing paralegals, but it's going to be going after junior associates next. And who even knows how long lawyers are going to last. And that leads us to one of the biggest ones in any corporate world, human resource. As funny as this sounds, the word human is still going to be intact. In 2023, Unilever, one of the largest consumer goods companies in the entire world, they announced that it had replaced a large part of its recruitment process with AI. Using platforms like HireVue, candidates now complete video interviews analyzed by AI. These tools score everything from word choice to facial expression, and it even predicts your job performance. And yet, you heard that right. If I fidget in my chair just a little bit too much, it may give me a bad check mark. But this is helping companies cut their average time to hire by 75%. And once considered one of the most human functions in any company, is rapidly being automated. And it's live right now. A Gartner study found that 46% of HR leaders are actively implementing AI in at least one core function right this moment. And that number is expected to pass 80% by 2026, especially with new tools coming out each and every single day. Listen, the truth is AI isn't slowing down, and it's not coming for your job someday. It's happening right now. There are a ton of jobs it's already replaced, and this is just the beginning. The difference between being replaced and being irreplaceable is knowing how to use it before everyone else. And that's exactly what I'm teaching you on this channel. How to use AI to not just better yourself, but to adapt, stay ahead, and turn it into real income so you don't get left behind or have your job replaced and be up Schitt's Creek without a paddle. With that said, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.